Share and Kumasi Asante Kotoko day 9 preseason na ohun say omo call gym ewo SG Mall ewo around the Shire FM chire ho no na players ni bi an show up enye players ni nyina na call na nchiremu aba anwumre ya the rest of the players no about 10 players yensa ka information bi say omo call Accra na omo call Accra no omo ko process omo document omo passport and omo de call the German embassy ewo enkran no for a pre-season continuation tour na ebekoso ewo Europe no Germany in Ghana that is a German embassy ehona these players ekoye. That's according to reporter enumere circulate ewo internet no so na me report ama na Kumasi Asante Kotoko pre-season abroad tour, there are so many questions mark around it. But to be true honest, and the players no, emu 10 every Kumasi Ekwa cry no the meet me confirm it. But as to say pre-season no, ebeba so emma so mra ede nim and the players 10 no mo koye no mudin ewa ha me de bema osisia because Kotoko 16th of this month on it baby this team be media ma ebebo ewo TNA Park. Now after that game no ebeka almost 2 weeks na league na chance menim say it will be enough what I meba Bernard Somwa ene no nka team training no nti okwa akra ni bi Frederick Asare Henry Ansu Elvis Cheba for Smart Abdul Hamid Peter Midwakwa Baba Yaya Samba O'Neil, Andrew Sintimenu, Abdul Karim Abdul Rahman. Omuni players are Boko Accra no. 10 players are Boko Accra. Bernard Sumwa and truly and videos are about posted by Kumasi Asante Kotoko official YouTube channel. I know muye gym work or SG Mon and these players in count. Bernard Sumwa, Frederick Asare, Henry Anzu, Elvis Cheba for Smart, Peter Midwakwa, Baba Yaya, Samba O'Neil, Andrew Sintimenu, Abdul Karim Abdul Rahman. Na omunka ho nti confirm say ene omukọ Accra but league ne be sha say on the 6th of next month Kotoko bebo last game o Ghana ha say against media ma 6 teams nti ebeka be about 20 days me sure say e possible say Kotoko betimi de akọ Europe no akoye de ompese omukoye ewo ho bia eba before 6 no and it looking possible. I'm hoping for the best out of this news. Now, even though say BBI it means and let's be optimistic. Say BBI will see it through na Kotoko and a very fine preseason. Yes, any updates be about it was super.